Here's the howling puppy, blocked in and sketched. I'm looking around that split. His nose is pointed the other way, so it should be okay. So if he's turned a little sideways, his face is actually this way. And so you're going to be able to see one ear from the front here, and then you'll have to go to the side to see that the other ear is kind of back and down behind his nose. And then that's what's causing one hip to be higher than the other, as I see it. And his tail is going to be wrapped around to the right. So it's going to come here and wrap around on the outside of this hip. So next step is to get the angle grinder out and start shaping him in to the sketch. Another part of this experiment is another one of the chunks from a chainsaw carving, maybe this one. And I've got it burned here. No burn, light burn, medium burn, and really dark burn. And I'm going to paint it over with gray. So I'm going to take some of this white and put just a little drop of black in it and get it gray. And then I'll cover the whole thing. Just apply it on there with a paper towel like I would do on the wood carving and let it dry so that tomorrow I'll be able to do the scratch experiment with both the gray over top of the burn and the white over top of the burn. And again, I'll come in with this and scratch it. And maybe I'll have my Dremel back. I killed my 8260 and they're going to send me another one, a lower grade, maybe an 8240. I think they're going to send me and to keep me going. So maybe I'll get it today and I can get that scratching done tomorrow. But there's a little wolf guy again. We'll see how we're going to make him the right colors. Little dab of white. And this is a chalk finish paint that I just happen to have handy that I am using on some products that I give a distressed look, a birdhouse in particular that I've been working on. And both of these are Krylon. It's just what I had on hand. And I put a little tiny dab of black in here. And we'll see just how gray that will make it. Then I will fly this with a paper towel to my other experiment. That's really gray. I didn't mean to make it that dark. Wow. I've spray painted it with this white gloss over all four of the sample patches, the dark burn, medium burn, light burn, no burn. And I tried to cover it completely. It's probably 98% covered in white. And it's pretty cold out here, so it might take it a little bit to dry and be ready for me to scratch it. So I probably won't get to finish the experiment until tomorrow and see what works best. There's the dirty gray over top of the 4 different levels of burning. Let myself out my barn here and add this to the sunshine. The flies seem to like it. That's interesting. Up out here in the sun, the leaves out of the way, in my brush pile. And we're going to let it dry there for several hours. And then I'll take it inside overnight when most of the smell is off of it so that it can set up in the warm in the house.
And the decision is gray over dark burn. The gray over the dark burn looks the best. And you can tell here how it adds a shadow in the fur grooves. Looks much better. And here's the little wolf beside his big cousin. Both of them together. You've been watching Made in Papa's Woodshop. Please like and subscribe.